How to delete Gelato account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can delete Gelato account permanently. So how do you delete Gelato account permanently? It is very simple. The first step is for you to log in into your Gelato account just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, the second thing to do is to move to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. In the box displayed, select settings as your first option. And amongst other options here, which includes profile, language and currency, company, users, click on company. And then you will be brought to your company's page. So on this page, after your billing address, scroll down until you can see the option or the tab delete company. So you can see delete company account. So click on that. Then you'll be asked to enter in your company name again. Then move to the bottom part and click on delete account. Alright, so ensure you enter in the right details. Click on delete account, and then your account has successfully been deleted. It is as simple as that. So this is how you can delete your account on Gelato permanently. Alright, it has been deleted permanently. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.